rotisserie chicken is such a thing in Mexico. We love them. And of course, everybody has their favorite place where they get it. And I've always wondered, what does it take to make the best rotisserie chicken? And it's all about the sazon and the high heat. So I'm gonna give you my take to make an irresistible pollo rostizado that you can make in a snap. For the marinade, I'm going to combine some ingredients that you would think don't go together, but they go together so well. So I have 10 cloves of garlic that I already peeled. I'm throwing in here. So I added 2 teaspoons of the salsa inglesa, 1 tablespoon of the soy sauce, and then I'm adding Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of oregano, and then I'm adding the cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of the chile piquin. So in they go. I am mixing salt. I'm doing 1.5 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon of black ground pepper, 1 whole serrano chile. I'm gonna help my blender out by just coarsely chopping these. 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime juice. And then about 1/4 cup of olive oil. And then I'm gonna puree these until completely smooth. I'm gonna put it right in here. Yum. I have my chicken here. You want to separate the skin from the meat. Just use your hands and go between the skin and the meat, see? Like this. And you're just making room for that marinade because you want the marinade to season the chicken under, over, in between, everywhere. And I want to put some of the marinade in the chicken cavity too. Use a tablespoon and then rub it with my hands. So going in the cavity and then just rubbing it all over. I'm adding the marinade in between the meat and the skin. Massage the chicken everywhere. And I'm gonna stuff my chicken with celery, about 1/4 of a white onion. I'm gonna grab some parsley, just gonna break it in pieces. I'm gonna cut a piece of twine, stuff the parsley in here. You wanna put your chicken with the breasts upside up. I'm gonna tuck the wings under the back of the chicken so that the tips of the chicken wings don't burn. And then I'm gonna tie the legs, and I have my oven at 450. Stick it in the oven anywhere from 45 to 55 minutes. An extra sprinkle of salt. And then I'm just going to put it in the oven. You want your chicken to rest for at least 10 minutes. I'm gonna start cutting away at the legs. So you wanna cut along the natural lines of the chicken. It looks so pretty. And it's so satisfying to eat the chicken with so much sazon. And if you make it all for yourself and you have some leftovers, you can make one amazing torta too.